Let's talk about Ukraine government cancels airdrop ahead of scheduled snapshot. Boom. Back to back to back. The Ukrainian government has canceled a planned crypto airdrop as the Russian invasion continues. The announcement was made by the country's deputy prime minister and minister of digital transformation via his Twitter account on via his verified Twitter account on Thursday. After careful consideration, we decided to cancel airdrop. Every day, there are more and more people willing to help Ukraine to fight back the aggression, end quote, Fedorov tweeted. Fedorov said the country will announce non-fungible tokens to support Ukrainian armed forces, but emphasized that they do not have plans to issue any fungible tokens. NFTs are digital assets on a blockchain that represent ownership of virtual or physical items. The airdrop was initially announced on Wednesday on the country's official Twitter account, following which government officials did not release any further information or announcements regarding the event scheduled for Thursday. Government officials also did not respond to CoinDesk's multiple requests for comments since the initial announcement. I think they're a little busy, CoinDesk. Look, they're probably a little bit busy. I'm just saying, give them some time. Either on Thursday, it appeared as though early on Thursday, it appeared as though an airdrop was underway, but it later became apparent that a third party may have been spoofing the much anticipated event. According to Fedorov's most recent update on Telegram, the Ukrainian government has raised around $30 million since it began accepting crypto donations last Friday. The government has been raising funds via a range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ether, and Polkadot's DOT. So there you go. That's not happening. No plans. All right. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. There's one more that I did want to talk about that I saw here. Let's go back real quick. We see Bitcoin a little bit in red, Ethereum in red right now as well. Don't start playing that video, please. There was one more. Oh, this is new. Well, we definitely need to see what's going on here. So let's talk about this. Bitcoin mining rig maker Canaan surges after strong results and guidance. All right. Hangzhou-based Canaan, one of the industry's largest manufacturers of crypto mining machines, is up 16% in pre-market action after reporting a 60% increase in revenue to $342.8 million in the fourth quarter. The company has previously guided for sequential revenue to rise in the 35 to 50% range. Quote, the higher than expected top line result was powered by our business development efforts, which drove the growth of our customer base, enabling us to achieve a larger proportion of spot sales with a higher averaging sale price, end quote, said CFO Jin Chang. There we go. The company's total computing power sold was 7.7 million terahash in the fourth quarter, up about 15% from 6.7 million terahash a second previously. I'd be curious what their Q1 2022 numbers are going to be, though. Canaan expects its total net revenues for the first quarter of 2022 to be higher. Okay, there we go. By 275 to 300% year over year to RMB 1,500 million to RMB 16 million. 1,600 million. There you go. What does that mean? I think a lot of people are moving into Bitcoin mining. It makes a lot of sense. It does look like a lot of people are pushing the brakes, including myself, on some GPU mining. Does that mean you should stop GPU mining? I think no. For home miners, it makes the most sense still to start with GPU mining. And I do think that there are some options that are going to be there. We are going to have to worry about the amount of hash rate coming off of Ethereum, how much of it is going to be ASICs and so on. We've preached this a whole bunch. Please watch some of those videos and just stay frosty out there. None of this is financial advice, of course, but as we look at the markets and see what's happening, it definitely looks like there is a shift from the mining perspective into Bitcoin, and it's only growing. Bitcoin mining is growing. It looks like they're projected to grow even further for Q1. And that's what we see. There was an NFT article that I wanted to talk about, and I couldn't find it. that was basically, I'll try to find it again for tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed this clip from the Crypto Mining Morning Show every Monday through Friday, 7:45 a.m. Pacific and 10:45 a.m. Eastern Time. You can check out more clips here, or if you're interested in checking out the entire live show, you can check that out down here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next Tuesday.